All right, students. In today's video, we are discussing about 2024 A-level ICT past paper structure question. Structure question. Question number 3, B part. Okay, structure question. Question number 3, B part. Okay, yeah. Okay. Write down. Just read the question. Okay. Okay. So this is a easiest question, but we will see. Right. Okay. We are going to do this question. Okay. Write down the output of the following Python code. Okay, yeah. So they want to print the output, and here what is the output means? Output is equal to check values. Okay, check values. So here's the variable check values 12. In bracket they given the number. So define check values. Okay, coming to the question. Okay, coming to here, and check values in bracket n. So these this and this is are the same. Okay, so n is equal 12, n is equal 12, right? Then result variable. Okay, in result variable they added a list. Okay, remember that it is a list because it is in a square brackets, right? For I in range, 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, we already know what is n means. N is a 12. Okay, n is 12. So 12 plus 1, 13. So if it is a range, so 1 comma 13. Okay, so if it is a I in range, so 1 to 12, it comes 1 to 12 because in the end we want to minus the 1. Okay, right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, only they are the numbers in the loop condition. Okay, right. So here's the loop starts. So this is the outer loop and it is a inner loop. In here we can see the inner loop again. So what is the inner loop said? If I mod 2, okay, this symbol is for modulus. Okay, so it's basically if a number is divided, so what number is comes as a balance, it's called as mod. Okay, so balance is equal mod. Okay, mod and balance are the same. So if I if I mod 2, okay, equal 0, and here's the condition, and okay, and I mod by 3 equals 0. Okay, if it is mod by mod, if it is divided by a, okay, let's see. So if 1, okay, let's take the I equal 1. 1 is divided by 2. Okay, so if there is a balance is 0. No, right? Yeah. And yes, the condition, and means the all the two of the conditions wants to satisfy, right? On not only one condition, two of them all wants to fulfill, right? That's all. Okay, so what are the numbers between 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 1, sorry, 1 to 12? What are the numbers in divided by 2 and 3? Yeah, what are the numbers? It is easy. What are the numbers? 1, no. 2, yes, but in 3 that cannot be more divided. Okay, and 3 4, yes, but 3 can't. 5, yes, no, 5 cannot. Okay, 5 is cannot do divided by both numbers, right? And 6 will come because why? 6 is divided by 2 and 3, and then 7 8 9, yes, in 3 it can divide, but into no. 10, yes, no. In 2 it can, but in 3 no. 11, no. And finally 12, yes. Okay, so but wait, so this is the answer, but we want to do some corrections. Is this correct or wrong? Wrong, right? Because it is the results wants to be list form. Okay, results wants to be in list form, so it wants to write in square bracket. Okay, in square bracket it want to come, right? Okay, so now the answer is clear. Now answer is, we get the answer, right? Okay, so move up to the C section. Okay, C section. Okay, so this is the correct answer, right? And now move up to the third question, C section. Okay, third question number 3, C section. And yes, the question. Okay, fill the 5 blanks of the following Python code which has been written to find the prime numbers from 2 up to given numbers. Okay, prime numbers from 2 up to given number. So we want to get the prime numbers. Prime numbers mean 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. Sorry, 9 it's not come, right? Sorry, 11, 13, like that. Okay, so they are the prime numbers. So prime numbers is divisible by only by 1 and itself. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, let's see the code. And here upper, the variable is upper. Okay, and this is the statement for to input a number. Okay, to input something we want to give us input bracket. So in here, let's see, in here we want to give a data type. So what is the data type in here? Int. Okay, right, int. So data type is int. Okay, clear. And if upper greater than 1, if upper is greater than 1, okay, so it goes to here, print prime numbers. First they will print prime numbers between 2 and comma upper. Okay, the variable is the given numbers. Okay, this is the given by the user, so we are asking from the user. And r, okay, for num in range. Okay, for num in range, so they are asking the range. Okay, for asking the range, so what is the range to store to the num? 2 up to what will come when the user gives upper section, we want to add the 1. That's why we can get the range, because it will and in end it will minus the 1, right? Clear, it is easy. For I in range, okay, for I in range 2 up to what? 2 up num. Okay, 2 up to num, it will come as num, because why? All the ranges are going to store in num variable. Okay, all the variables are going, sorry, all the numbers are going to change, stored into num variable. Okay, right, we want to write the same as the variable name. Okay, it is a case sensitive, since it is in small letters, so that's why I used in small letters also. Okay, if it is in capital letter it is wrong. Okay, then this is the section. Okay, if, okay, if it is condition, if it is equal 0, it will going to what will happen? Okay, right, so here we are going to we want to get the numbers, right? So if it is what is the prime numbers means? Prime numbers means it is divisible by only 1 and itself. Okay, it's going to divisible by itself, so we want to what will come? We want to divide the num by I. Okay, because num is going to stored in the num is going to stored in here, and here's the another variable I. Okay, so that's why num mod. Okay, so balances wants to come. right? Okay, I. Okay, yeah. So then we can see another code here, else print now. Okay, if it is not happened, it will going to print. Okay, so then it is here comes as break. Okay, so break option will here comes, right? First, yeah, first we want to see how. I think you got all the clarification in years. Okay, but you have the little bit confusion in this session. Okay, in this session I'll clear that. Okay, first uh, we want to identify how a works. Okay, so now we get this. Okay, focus here, right? Right. So here, so num is equal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 only, right? Okay, 7. And in I we can say the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That you know, okay, that you know in division. That you know in division, right? Division, we want to divide a number less than, if a number is divided, it is as it is comes as less than a divided number. Okay, it is divided by a less than divided number. Okay, let's see if 2, if 5 is divided by 6, no, right, it can't. But if 5 is, we can divide by the 4 or 3, like that. Okay, so it is a less than numbers we want to divide. Okay, so if it is a 2, 2 is going to divide by the what number? Less than 2. What is the less than 2 here? Nothing. Okay, so then it will going to print. Okay, it will going to print. Then 3 is going to divide by 2. Okay, 2. So 2 is less number, so it is not going to mod is 0, right? It mod is 1. Okay, so it will print. And then 4 is divided by 3. Okay, 4 is divided by 3, and 3 it can't divide, so it will print. And 5 is less than 4. 5 is the less 5 is uh 4 is the less than 5, so it can't divide, right? It can't 0, not 0, so it will print. And 6 is, wait. Okay, let's see. I cleared out what's that. In here, let's see. Okay, in here, 2's 2 is going to divided by a, it's less. Okay, it's less, so the 2 is going to less. What is less than 2? Not here, right? So it's going to print. Clear. Then 2, 3, sorry, 3. What is the less number in here? 2, right? So it's going to divide it by 2, but mode will come 1. Okay, so it's going to print. Then 4 is going to divide, what is the less numbers? 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3. So it's going to divide it by 2, so it will comes as 0, right? So it's going to break. So another number, and here comes 5. Okay, what is the less 5? In 5, it is 2 is going to divide, so it is going to print. Okay, yeah. And then 6, it is going to divide by 3, and itself 6. Okay, itself 6, so it won't come. Okay, sorry, 3, sorry, it's going, what is the less numbers? 6, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, right? So it is going to divide by 2 and 3. Okay, so it's going to mod 0, so it will break. Going to another number, 7, next number, and 7, and 7 is going to what numbers? 2, and mod is 1 only, right? It will going to print. So it's clear. So if it is a number is divided by the same number, it going to 0, it will break. Okay, if it is not, it going to print the number. I hope it's that I explained you got it right. If any doubts, any ideas, suggestions, please comment, right? uh, I hope it's valuable lessons for you. Give me some suggestions, right? Thank you.